This is an engraving pen. I am so excited to try this out. I'm always buying personalized engraved things, and I'm excited to try to do them myself. Got your user manual, the pen, which is actually rechargeable, so it doesn't have to be plugged in while you're using it. An Allen wrench, tools you might need, and then you have all of these different engraving tools to use on your projects. I'm gonna test some out and try it out. First, you'll wanna pick whichever one you would like to work with. You just insert it right in there, and you can tighten it with your hex key. Oops. Right there. I drew a flower kind of as a guide to try it out. Here's my final product from my first try. I definitely need to practice more, but it was so easy to use and it's fun to test out.